So, are you all set?
All set.
Alrighty. Well, good afternoon, everyone. We're here over at the PAARC job site. This is Mike Brower, and behind the camera there is Colin McLean. Now, we're beginning to install our windows. In this window here, these are just set in place. We have our ranch windows set in here, and these are permanently installed at this point. Now, what you do is when you put in your window, it's extremely important that you put in cedar lap siding, beveled cedar lap siding. And you put it in with a wide part to the inside and the narrow part right up against your sheeting. And what that does is if any moisture gets in behind your window, it allows it to drain out. It puts an angled beveled bottom on there, and it's something that won't rot if it gets wet. You do fold your house wrap over it, but there could still get moisture there, so you want to have the cedar there to prevent your wood from ever having any damage. What you need to do then is you need to make sure that you put on the outside of the house wrap this flashing tape, and every lumberyard will sell this. And you put this on the sides and then the top over the sides. This allows any water that happens to get in behind the siding will drain out properly. It won't go inside, but if it does happen to, that's what you have this for, and sealed around the sides. And once this is in, then of course you put foam around the inside of the window to insulate properly around it. When that's all completed, then your window won't leak. But on the bottom, you do not want any sealing. You do not want anything at all for two reasons. First off, if any water does get behind here, it can drain out properly. And also, then you can breathe to the outside if you need to, so that you don't trap any moisture in there. It's allowed to escape. In the winter, when it's cold and dry, the moisture is going to want to come out and it'll pull itself out. That's kind of shows you how to basically put in a window. And the next steps that we're going to be taking is by the end of this week, we're going to start getting our wainscot up. And in the next couple of weeks, we'll have the rest of the light walls in, and we'll have another little update for you on how the light walls work and are constructed. And until then, thanks for joining us, and we'll hope to see you again.